Welcome to the channel. Hope you have a great day. Today we are going to take a look at L3HARRIS. Have a market cap of $43.9 billion, stock price of $227.70, and they operate in the aerospace and mainly defense industry. If we compare to the S&P 500, we can see that they have greatly outperformed it during the last 10 years with its dividend reinvested. And now for some fundamental data. Amazing sales growth 24.7%, nice earnings growth 12.5%, the forward estimates a bit lower 6.2%, the return on capital 7.96%, the debt is reasonable at 3.33 years, and they are buying back shares. Now for some dividend data. A nice dividend yield of 2%. A low payout ratio of 32%, a very nice growth rate of 15%, and they have been growing that dividend for 22 years, so very impressive dividend data for sure. That makes up for 8 out of 10 points, not too bad. Now let's take a look at the valuation in fast graphs. So here we can see far back to 2002. And the orange line here is the earnings growth. It has been steadily growing at a very rapid pace of over 15%, so that is very impressive. If we also put in the dividend in the graph, we can see that the dividend has also been very stable. They have never lowered it. Here they switched from broken fiscal financial year to a fiscal annual year, so that's why the dividend went like this. If you also see the price, we can see that it of course tends to follow the earnings. If we zoom in a bit right now, we can see that it still needs to come down a bit before it's reasonable valued. And if we project out to late 2024, we would only have an annual return of about 5% if the analysts are right. We can also see if the analysts usually are right in the analyst scorecard. And the analysts are, you can see, yeah, they are very accurate in this case, only up and down a couple of percent. So yeah, that was it for L3HARRIS. Hope you guys liked it. Please share in your comments how you find this stock. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.